Hey everyone! Ever thought about becoming a tutor? Not only can it be a great way to earn some extra cash, but it can also boost your job prospects. Imagine helping someone ace their exams while padding your wallet. That's the dream, right? Let's dive into everything you need to know to get started. You'll be raking in that sweet, sweet tutoring money in no time. Alright, future tutoring legends, let's kick things off with the basics. First things first, figure out what you're actually good at teaching. Are you a math whiz, a grammar guru, a history buff? That's your tutoring superpower. Once you've identified your subject, craft a CV that highlights your qualifications and experience. Next, think about where you want to tutor. Do you envision yourself in a cool modern library? Or maybe you prefer the cozy vibes of a coffee shop? Now, let's talk logistics. Do you want to offer online tutoring sessions or meet face-to-face? Consider what works best for you and your potential students. Finally, spread the word. Tell everyone you know that you're open for business. Post about it on social media, put up flyers at local schools and libraries, and don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. The more people you reach, the more tutoring gigs you'll land. Now, if you're looking for a platform to connect with eager students, look no further than tutoring websites. These digital matchmakers can help you find your perfect tutoring soulmate. First up, we've got SuperProf, a global giant in the tutoring world. SuperProf lets you set your own rates, create a killer profile, and connect with students from all walks of life. Next, we've got MyTutor, a UK-based platform that's all about quality over quantity. MyTutor handpicks its tutors and provides ongoing support, so you know you're in good hands. Last but not least, we have First Tutors, another fantastic option that boasts a vast network of tutors and students. First Tutors offers a range of subjects and levels, so you're sure to find your niche. Remember, each platform has its own vibe, fee structure, and sign-up process, so do your research and choose the one that fits you best. Okay, let's talk about the good stuff. The reasons why becoming a tutor is like winning a golden ticket to awesomeness. First and foremost, tutoring pays well. You can earn a sweet side income or even turn it into your full-time gig. Second, tutoring offers unparalleled flexibility. You set your own hours, choose your students, and work from wherever you want. Third, tutoring looks fantastic on your CV. It shows potential employers that you're responsible, knowledgeable, and passionate about helping others. Plus, it's a great conversation starter in job interviews. But wait, there's more. Tutoring is also an incredible way to solidify your own knowledge. When you teach someone else, you have to really understand the material yourself. And finally, tutoring is incredibly rewarding. There's nothing quite like the feeling of seeing a student's face light up when they finally get it. You're not just a tutor, you're a mentor, a guide, and a confidence booster. Before you start offering tutoring services, let's talk about the skills you'll need. First, you'll need excellent subject-specific knowledge. Be confident and knowledgeable. Next, top-notch communication skills. Explain complex concepts clearly. Understand revision techniques. Time management is crucial. Be organized and efficient. Lastly, have patience. Tutoring can be challenging. Now let's address the elephant in the room, qualifications. Do you need a fancy degree to become a tutor? The answer might surprise you. While a degree can be helpful, it's not always essential. Many students are simply looking for someone who's knowledgeable, experienced, and passionate about the subject. So, don't let a lack of formal qualifications hold you back. Good grades in the subject you're teaching are always a plus. Relevant experience, such as volunteering as a tutor or teaching assistant, can also give you a competitive edge. If you're planning on working with minors, it's always a good idea to get a criminal records check. This shows potential clients that you're trustworthy and responsible. Remember, qualifications are just one piece of the puzzle. Your passion, enthusiasm, and ability to connect with students are just as important. Becoming a tutor is about more than just showing up and talking about your favorite subject. It involves behind-the-scenes tasks essential for success. Assess your pupils' needs, identify their strengths and weaknesses, tailor sessions to meet their needs. Plan your sessions like a pro, develop engaging activities, stay up to date on curriculum, provide regular progress reports, organize payment and invoices. Okay, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for, the money. How much can you actually earn as a private tutor? Get ready to be amazed. On average, private tutors can charge anywhere from $20 to $40 per hour. Of course, your earning potential will depend on a few factors such as your location, the subject you're teaching, your level of experience, and whether you're working through a tutoring agency or going solo. If you live in a big city with a high demand for tutors, you can often charge a premium for your services. Similarly, if you specialize in a high-demand subject like math or science, you can expect to command higher rates. Experience also plays a role in your earning potential. As you gain more experience and build a solid reputation, you can gradually increase your rates. Going solo gives you more control over your rates, but you'll be responsible for finding your own clients. Alright, future tutoring superstars, it's time to put everything we've learned into action. Here are some top tips to help you go from tutoring newbie to tutoring rockstar. First things first, write a killer CV that highlights your skills, experience, and passion for teaching. Next, decide on the skill level you want to teach. Are you comfortable working with young children? Do you prefer challenging older students? Choosing the right age group will help you tailor your teaching style and find your tutoring groove. Now it's time to put together your tutoring pitch. This is a short and sweet summary of your skills, experience, and teaching philosophy. Once you've got your pitch down pat, it's time to start advertising your services. Spread the word on social media, put up flyers at local schools and libraries, and tell everyone you know that you're open for business. So there you have it. Everything you need to know to start your journey as a private tutor. Remember, you've got the knowledge, the skills, and the passion to make a real difference in your students' lives and your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. And be sure to share this video with anyone you know who's thinking about becoming a tutor. Let's spread the tutoring love.